Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech with Ire. Welcome back. So what are we going to be doing today? We are going to be doing something exciting. We're going to learn how to install the Anaconda Navigator. Now we need the Anaconda Navigator so we can access Jupyter Notebook very easily. How do we do that? We go to the Anaconda download page, anaconda.com/download, and then you select the particular OS of your choice. Of course, when I mean of your choice, the OS your PC runs. So I run a Windows machine, I'll just hit download directly, or if I want to select any version of any Windows version I want, I just hit this other Windows button and it will take me to where I can select the particular version I want. But since I have already installed it on my PC, I won't be going through that process again. Now this is where I had it downloaded to. So I open up this, I just double click. Okay, so like I said, I've already installed it, so I'm just guiding you how to do that. I hit on next, I agree, next, and you select the location where you want it to be installed. Okay, so but since I don't want to install it, I'll just stop the process at this point. I hit back. Now I have already opened it also on my PC. So what I will do is I go to the Anaconda navigation where it has already been installed. I open it, and then once you launch it, you have something that looks like this. So since we are working, as you can see, you have, apart from Jupyter, we have other beautiful work environment. We have Jupyter Lab, we have Spider, we have PyCharm community, we have so many. So but what we are interested in is what Jupyter for now. So we'll hit on Jupyter, click launch, give it some time to open. It's going to take quite a while, but it will open, and when it's open, it's going to open in our browser. So it is loading. Now we have it on our browser already. So what do we do? Probably if it's your first time, you will see a directory of all the folders you have on your PC. So what we do is just select a particular folder you want. So for my case, I'll just open it directly. I just click new, Python 3. So as I select on Python 3, it's going to open a new notebook for me. Now from here, what am I going to do? I'm just going to do whatever I want. Maybe I have a code I'm working with, or I just want to do something. For starters, let's do something we did in the last video. I say a is equal to, we created a variable and we assigned a value to the variable. I hit shift and enter. I call on a, shift enter, and a is 10. Let's go ahead to check the type of data. Do this and you get an int. So guys, this is how to install and access your Jupyter. Thank you guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our videos. Thank you.